souvenirs na dito.
You want to know the price? The price is good, boss. This one you like, this one. There you go. Why you not planning?
Ito yung makikita natin dito sa Dance Falls, Jamaica. Ito yung falls dito. Maganda din. Develop nila masyado. Maganda na. May mga landing doon sa taas. Lagit lang. Zipline sila. Ayan, this is the falls. Yeah, beautiful. Dahil natin. Picture stop.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's alright. It's okay, no problem. Yes, yes. Yes.
Have you ever been there?
Yes.
Yes, and that's so much fun to just.
Yeah, but this one is...
This one's too rocky to
Yeah,
slide.
it's different, you know, and every
Yeah.
country is different, so
It's beautiful.
it's beautiful. This is my first time. This is your first time here too?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. So,
Whoa, he's gonna fall.
Dan Falls, Jamaica. Ganda rin mga parang each step meron silang pool. Nagawa nila. Para malinis. May mga zipline doon sa taas. Ito yung makikita mo dito sa Dance Falls. Napakaganda. Tapos sila baba. May zipline din sila. It's alright. Dito na yung pinakamahaba nila. Ito yung YouTube nila. May zipline dito. Ito yung pinakababa. sa waterfalls nila dito. Going down to, oh yeah, ito yung Oxurios. Ang dami pa palang dito. Ito yung mga kahoy nila dito. Taas pala itong po. Dan Falls. Oh, diretso na pala ito sa phone. Beach. Wow. You finished? You're going back?
He's driving us crazy.
Oh yeah, no.
You'll have to blow some of them up so you can actually see.
Nakababa na. So, yung palang falls, pag-end up doon sa pinakababa, sa dagat na siya. Oh. Ito yung beach nila dito. So, pwede natin makita natin. Ito yung pinakalas nila dito. Pwede ko dito. Yan. Ito yung river. So, hanggang doon. Dagat na siya. Dito na sa dagat. Naka-kwan dito. Diretso na siya sa dagat. Ito yung pinakadulo ng fall. Dito siya. Mga turista pa rin dito. Galing dito. Yan. Dito. Yan. Diretso na siya sa dagat. Dan River Falls. Malinis pa rin yung tubig. Ito na yung tubig ng river. So pataglit sila sa ito na yan. Dito na nagtakos yung tubig sa falls, Dan River. Yan. May mga ibon din dito. Dito na rin siya sa dagat. Ito yung Dan Falls, papataas. Sana makuha natin sa kabila. Yun, sa kabila. So, dito siya nagtingin. Sa baba. Yan. So, dito na siya sa dagat. Subukan natin, baka makakaya natin. Dito sa kabila. So, ito na yung Dan Falls. Ito yung pinaka dulo ng Dan Falls. Yan. Ito yung yan, taas. Ito nag-minute na dito. Kabila. Ito na yung dagat.
Oh!
Yan.
Grande! Grande! Grande!
Ito na yan. Nakadulo. Yan. Ito makikita natin. Ito na yung pinakadulo talaga. Ito makikita natin doon. Yan. Dito na siya. Dito siya mag-mix sa dagat. Ito yung mga aqua nila dito. Ang ganda. Kakuha natin. Pwede ka rin hindi mabasa kasi meron silang daanan. Ito daanan dito. Galing sa baba, galing sa dagat. Tapos may mga tinda-tinda sila dyan. Oh. Yan. Ito yung pan dito. River. Ayan. So dyan ka dumaan kanina. Dumana tayo dito. Ayan. May mga souvenir shop sila dito. Bob Marley. Ito yon, Bob Marley. Ayan. Oh. Smoking Joe. Kapit ba? Yan. Dito dyan. Taas. Yan. Yan. Hanggang sa dagat na yan. Puntang dagat. Taas naman tayo. Ito yung pan dito. Daanan. Ano ba yung mga flowers dito? Yan. Hanggang dito. Dito yan. May mga zipline din dyan. Pa-exit. So may mga kung dito. Oo. Souvenirs dito.
Oh, Manila? Manila?
Malala?
That's the capital, Manila. That's the capital, Manila.
Ito mga souvenirs nila dito. Jamaica. Souvenirs.
Shopping today, guys. You wanna have it over here?
Souvenirs dito. Thank you. Ito yung mga kakuha dito. Thank you.
Somebody owns it? Somebody owns it?
Yep.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, man, let me keep up because my young boy, why am I doing this? They're not thinking of it. They're not thinking, man. They're not thinking. That's the part and most important part. This morning, I left the yard. He said, "Jen, only for your trouble with today. Today, I mean, I take those and I do. Now, I said, until men come up tonight, you do it. I was saying, I'm going to take some more money. I got them out there. And I was saying, but you know, say, innocence of it. You take it, and you put it down. When you get more, you put it on the same way. And then you pay everything. Oh, the paradise. Yeah, man. Bachelor's degree in culinary arts and hospitality and tourism. Brilliant, you know. But they're not sure, you understand? They just have to simple. Sometimes when I'm with neighbor, son, I come on now, college and go, and you're sharing brilliant, and you know, and I point at you and I say, I like him and I say, I go to office, and they kind of way to me, and they don't, understand? They punch and go, we know we aunts. Never said to her, say, go to the world vision and that Rose always catch her and said to her, so spell the name, learn how to write the name. So once you get through from Malta and Verna, she's always in the top 5. Top 3 as a matter of fact. I'm out of Verna, but the first or second. And then I got third. Maddie, what about Expialidocious? Sing a song of sixpence. Pocket full of rice. Listen, what about a Mary Poppins? That sounds good. Are we in Jamaica?
We're in Jamaica.
Oh, we'll give you a Jamaican folk song, part of it. Sly mongoose, your name gonna blood. Sly mongoose. Everybody, you know what a mongoose is, everybody? The mongoose was brought to Jamaica to eradicate the snakes on the sugarcane plantation. So I'm just giving you a part of the Jamaican folk song about the mongoose. Yeah, man. All right, are we ready?
Ready?
Come on, Jen.
Yeah, man.
After 1, 2, and 3. Down the way where the lights are king and the sun shines daily on the mountain top. You took a trip on a sailing ship, and when you reached Jamaica, you made a stop. But I'm sad to say you're on your way. Won't be back for many a day. My heart is down, my head is turning around. You have to leave Jennifer in Falmouth Town. Down the way where the nights are gay and the sun shining on the mountainside. You took a trip on a sailing ship, and when you reached Jamaica, you made a stop. But I'm sad to say you're on your way. Won't be back for many a day. My heart is down, the head is turning around. You have to leave your driver Patrick in Falmouth Town. Alright. You like that one?
Yeah,
We made that one up. Alright, everybody, so get your ship cards ready. Alright, lovely, lovely. You want to rehearsal again? Alright, you're not saying anything bad, but you're just saying, see it here, makeup, for the experience that you had. And what an experience it was, everybody. Yeah, man?
Yeah, man.
Alright, now here in Jamaica, we have a Jamaican saying that goes like this. Walk good. In other words, you take good care of your dear selves. Alright, yeah, man?
Yeah, man.
Alright, so Jen's gonna say something to make you smile. She wants you to come home with her. Alright, everybody, walk good and take good care of yourself. Alright, yeah, man?
Yeah, man.
Alright, no problem, ladies and gents. Alright, so before you get off the bus, ensure that you look around your seats. Don't leave anything on the bus. Alright, pre-consult that passengers losing bus, your cell phone, your wallets, and your boarding pass, your ship cards. So ensure that you look around your seats. Don't leave anything on the bus. Alright, no problem. And ladies and gents, as you all know, in the service industry and it's customer for tipping, so feel free to show your appreciation to your driver and your tour guide. We'll highly appreciate it. All right, it's no problem, man. And I can see the Shorex looking out for you all. Yeah, man, the shore excursion looking out for you all. Yeah.
Wondering where you
We're
were.
wondering where the bus is at. All right. Yeah, man. But I'm sure there are other buses out there.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, man. And you all said that we have to get back what time?
4:30.
Oh, Lord, you don't even know. All right, we're not the last, but there's another bus coming. All right. So we're good to go. And I'm not hearing the captain tooting any horns there. All right. All right.
Ito na yung ito na yung babalik na sa barko. Maganda naman yung takbo ng andito. So maaga pa kami nakalalis ngayon. Dito na. Dito tayo. Dami ng mga tinda nila dito. music. Royal Star. So ito yung Jamaica, Falmouth, Jamaica. So maganda ang weather dito. Doon sa Chorrillos ang maulan doon. Ito na yun. Okay. Oras dito. Dami lang mga bali dito. Mga tours. Jamaica. So ito yung Falmouth, Jamaica. So ito yung makikita natin dito kung mag dock tayo sa pinakamataas na area ng barko. So ito yung pinakamalapit na area na makikita natin dito. Ito yung Falmouth, Jamaica. Capital kasi ng Jamaica is Kingston. So malayo-layo ito sa Kingston, mga 2 hours away. Tsaka malayo din ito sa Chorrillos, mga 2 hours away. Ito yung bansa or country ni Bob Marley. So di tayo nakapunta sa kang Bob Marley, pero nakita natin yung hometown niya doon sa Runaway. So ito ang pinaka nagpasikat din si Bob Marley dito. Ayan, so ito yung makikita natin dito, Falmouth, Jamaica. So anytime alis na rin tong barko na to. Ayan. So ito yung makikita natin dito sa loob. Kaso makikita nyo yan, devastated kasi sila, natamaan sila ng Hurricane Melissa last October. So they're still recovering. At least malaking tulong yung tourism dito. So nakatulong yung mga turismo, mga turista dito, nakatulong sa economy nila. At least may mga tumutulong din sa kanila. Ayan. Dito tayo ngayon sa Falmouth, Jamaica. Ito yung flag nila. they're still states of recovery. So malaking tulong yung turismo dito. At least ang tourism continuous, hindi umihinto yung turismo dito. Ayan. So kita natin yung iba pa yung mga tip. Pero at least naka-recover. Their states of recovery. So malaki din yung tulong ng turismo. Ayan. Ito yung city ng Palmau. Isang island lang ang Jamaica, so madali mo lang mapuntahan kasi isang island lang. Tsaka maikot mo kung gustuhin mong maikutin yung Palmau. Yung capital is Kingston. Pinakasikat at pinakabisi yung Ocho Rios kasi nandoon yung mga falls at saka rainforest nila. Maganda din yung Dan Falls at saka Punuco Falls dito, doon sa Ocho Rios. May pier din doon, may port din doon sa Ocho Rios, kaya pwede ka magdak doon ng mga cruise line. Kanina may Virgin cruise line doon na nakadak, kaya maraming mga turista doon, tsaka may mga shopping center doon sa Chorrillos. Malaking tulong yung turismo dito sa kanilang recovery kasi last October lang yung tinamaan ng Hurricane Melissa ang Jamaica, kaya nagpasalamat din sila sa malaking tulong ng mga turismo dito. Ito yung flag nila sa Jamaica. Yan yung flag sa Jamaica. Black, green, and blue. Ayan. Saka ito yung mga tawag. Friendly naman yung mga taga Jamaica. Mga Jamaicans, mga friendly naman sila. Kaya maraming mga turismo ang nakakuha dito. Dumadayo dito.
Yes, patrons of the Asian Star, if you can hear my voice walking out on your balcony or your front deck, we want to give to you a bye-bye party. As well, where the entertainment will go for the last dance, the two one final dance before you say no. But I want to get a better than that. If you truly had a wonderful time in Jamaica, let me hear you make some noise. Oh, I heard my friend, she's screaming at the top of her. Thank you very much. So the DJ's gonna play some music and the entertainment team are gonna do that final dance. Feel free to clap, you can dance along with us as well. DJ!
Carvel Party sila.
Yes, great friends, we're going to introduce the dancers one by one. We're going to start off with the jet. We're going to start off with the man. Yes, great, check. And all together, we were your entertainment team for the day. Feel free to make some noise. Yes, great friends. So I know you soon say no. We want to leave you off with a song from the man, Harry Belafonte for you. You came to Jamaica on a cruise ship, and now it's time to say goodbye. Not goodbye forever, but goodbye until we meet again. Give us a slow wave right now.
Down the road where the nights are gay and the sun shines down on the mountain top. I took a trip on a sailing ship, and when I reached Jamaica, I made a stop. But I'm sad to see I'm on my way. Won't be back for many a day. My heart is down, my head is turning around. I had to leave a little girl in Kingston town.
Yes, we can tell you this, and I say thank you guys again. We truly could have been anywhere in the world, but you decided to come to this sweet island, Jamaica. So just give us that slow wave. Come on.
Sounds of laughter everywhere and the dancing girls swinging to and fro. I must declare my heart is there. I've been from there to Mexico, but I'm sad to say I'm on my way. Won't be back for many a day. My heart is down, my head is turning around. I had to leave a little girl in Falmouth town.
So from the late but will ever be great Bob Marley, we also want to leave you with this one. One love. If you have your Jamaican colors, your Jamaican flag, wave it high right now. Hey, if you know the lyrics as well, sing along with me. Come on.
One love, one heart, let's get together and feel alright. One love, one heart, give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Hey, let's get together and feel alright. Oh, let them all pass all there. Dirty remarks, one love. There is one question I really love to ask. Is there a place for the hopeless sinners who has hurt all mankind? Just a Savior's Lord, believe me, one love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. New Vision, sing with me. One love, one heart. Give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. We say, let's get together and feel alright. Come back to Jamaica and drink Red Stripe.
Thank you, I've been practicing. Yeah, my great friends, we want to say thank you guys again. But before you go, we just like to ask a request. So for the hard-working staff of Norwegian Star, they took care of you on your way to Jamaica, and I know they're gonna take care of you on your way out. So when I say make some noise for the hard-working staff, I would like for you to just show them some love and show them that appreciation. So let's try that. Great friends of Norwegian Star, make some noise for the hard-working staff. Yeah, man, I love that energy. And while you make it nice and loud, make it nice and even louder for your captain that brought you here safely and is gonna carry you out onto your next destination. Make some noise for your captain! Yeah, man. Yes, great friends. So we just want to say thank you guys again. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you decided to come to this sweet island, Jamaica. So as we say here in Jamaica, live good, love good, and walk good. But in your situation, same good.
So long, farewell to you, my friends. Goodbye for now, until we meet again. I say so long farewell to you, my friends. Goodbye for now, until we meet again. It's been great to play and together at the port. Now it's time to say goodbye. So long farewell to you, my friends. Goodbye for now, until we meet again. Goodbye for now, until we meet again.
You're watching.
Alright. Ito yung vlog nila. Yan. Jamaica. Farm of Jamaica. Tapos na yung palabas nila. Ito yung pinaka view ng Falmouth, Jamaica. So nakikita natin kanina yung palabas nila. Maganda yung palabas nila. Salamat na nagbisita yung ibang bansa dito in terms of tourism. So ito na yung pinaka best view dito na banda. Sa kabila maganda din doon. At isa kuha na natin ng video dito. Yan o. So napakaganda. Maganda pagkakuha dito. Tsaka yung mga staff nila dito. Salamat naman. Tsaka ito yung flag nila dito. Black, gold and green Jamaica flag. Ayan. Okay. Anytime soon aalis na yung barko. Ayan. Ayan. Maganda pagkakuha natin. Ayan. So paalis na tayo. So ito yung city ng Falmouth. Paalis na yung barko. Layo na tayo. Tsaka ito yung lugar nila dito. So paalis na tayo. Paalis na yung barko. So ito yung Falmouth. One more time. Napidyohan natin. Ayan. Dalis na pala yung flag nila dito.